Hello guys, this is Ron Tips. Today I show you how to buy a eSIM that will work in Panama. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because feedback helps me. Right, link and coupon will be in the description, and open description and click on link Voyafly eSIM and open this web page voyafly.com and click on this where are you traveling to and write Panama. Click on this and settings eSIM, high-speed 4G, 5G data, no downloads or registration, keep your WhatsApp number and instant activation under 5 minutes. Alright. Choose a fixed data plan and 1 GB or 3 GB, 1 week or 2 week. Alright, select this and write amount eSIM. I'm write one eSIM and click on buy it now. Click on this. Open new page and write discount code ROAM tips and click on apply. Alright, order discount 20, order discount $2.20. This is very good, and click on Google Pay and buy SIM, or write email, write payment data, write billing address and select your country and click on buy now and buy eSIM and send your email address, QR code eSIM and activation instruction, and that's all. If eSIM is work, subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.